Hello, in this video I'll be building this little cabinet. Stay tuned.
For this cabinet, I will be using maple and walnut for the decoration. It measures 20 inches high by 12 inches wide by 6 inches deep. I'll be posting the plan soon. And here I am establishing a flat face. Once done, we'll bring everything to final thickness. Next is choosing all the parts, the top, the back, the shelf, etc. And we'll get rid of the waste at the bandsaw. I want to clarify that I'm waiting for the blade to stop in order to remove the waste. And here I got all my pieces marked out. Now it's time for the joinery, and for this I'll be marking the mortises, and that will help me make the template. For this I'm using a 1/4 inch router bit and a router bushing. This template has 2 slots for the bushings to slide on, and the blocks limit its travel. Once everything is marked out, it is time to do the mortises on the sides. For this, I'm using this jig. Next is the groove for the back, and we'll do that with the router too. The rabbets for the frame are next, and we'll cut them at the table saw. This is a bidding bit, and this will be the decoration for the shelf and the back. Next are the rabbits for the back, and we'll cut them at the table saw. And this is what we have so far. Then we'll make the walnut dowels for the top and bottom. And I'll be using a jig as well. For this template, I am using a router bit with a bearing to follow the shape, and the blocks will limit its travel. And this group is for the crown. This last template is for the shelf supports. Then we'll shape the ends with this router bit. We are getting closer to finishing this project. Next is to final shape the crown. Finally, it is time to clean up this cabinet. I'll start by breaking all the edges, sanding everything, and gluing all the decorations. For the finish, I am using Wipe-On Poly. Before the finish, I cover all the joinery with tape so that it wouldn't interfere with the glue.
Well, I hope you liked the video. Thank you for watching. If you like it, give me a thumbs up. See ya.